actual investing part doesn't take long, as it's just a case of handing over the money and being assigned your percentage of the business. I've invested $5,000 in a business and helped them to upgrade their equipment as well as helping them grow their client base. I started making an easy $100 per week in dividends. The more value you can offer, the more you'll get in return, as you aren't taking money out of the entrepreneur's pocket, but instead helping to grow the pot of money for everyone. This is essentially affiliate marketing, but real affiliate marketing doesn't have a limit, so you can make as much as you want. It's considered to be one of the simplest yet most profitable ways to make money online, as it doesn't require you to have any extra skills or previous experience. All that's typically needed as an affiliate is a passion for your niche and strong persuasive skills. While it is a great way to make money online, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's been reported that affiliate marketers earn an average of $66,029 per year passively, with earnings ranging from $35,000 up to $124,000.